Next guys, click to three line, go to first hp.com, then go to three line and go to support. After that click to software and driver. So if your internet is working very slow, so means you are mandatory to update the LAN and Wi-Fi driver. So click to Wi-Fi, then type HP EliteBook 850 G7, then hit enter. Then Windows 11, select operating system which is using. So all the operating system installations process same. Scroll down. So you just have to driver to download to create duplicate page. Just right click to click duplicate. Okay, so first select extract. So this is Bluetooth driver and this is Wi-Fi driver, so just click to download. After that go to second tab, same select your operating system which is using, then click to submit. So extract network, so it is downloading is working, downloading. Wi-Fi driver is downloading. So then next wireless LAN driver, just click to download. Okay, it's first one. It's click to open, then click to yes, then next, I accept, next, next, and finished. Then guys, same, install first one means LAN driver, you can see this. Then yes, and next, I accept, next, next, finish. After doing that, you restart your laptop and check it.